Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of STEAM do-it-yourself videos brought to you by Mach 1 at Phoenix Public Library. I'm Crystal, a library assistant with Youth Services. Today we're going to make a sidewalk maze. Are you ready to make something?
If you're doing this as an indoor project, you'll just need some paper, a pen, and 2 tokens to jump through your maze. If you're doing it as an outdoor project, you need some chalk and a safe place to draw on the concrete. Remember kids, before you start any DIY project, be sure you have permission from your grown-up. The first step to making your maze is to create a 5x5 grid. It's okay if it's not perfect, so you can freehand it if you want to. Did you know that the type of math that we're going to be using in this is called network or graph theory? If you're interested in learning more, those are a couple of topics you can look into. All right, I'm going to show you an example so you can copy these numbers down to practice. Create the star in the center. That will be your goal where you're trying to get to in the maze. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can just fix it. Okay, now that we've finished our maze, you're going to make sure that you show which point is the starting point. It's at the 1 right here. So, when you start at the 1, you can move side to side or up and down. You can't go diagonal. You can move 1 space because we're on a 1. When you're on a 2, you can move 2 spaces. You can move up 2. You can't move one way, but you can move the other way sideways. Let's try up. So now you can look around and see, how do I get to the center? You can move up 2, down 2, side 2. Now let's try to make our own. Now the best way to do that is to think from the end. If I want to have my next space 2 away, I need to make a 2 there. If I want my next one to be 2 again, I'll put it 2 spaces away. This time let's try 3 spaces away. 1, 2, 3. You can go up to 4 or 3. Let's do another 3. We're trying to get back to the starting point again, so let's put 2 1s here, and that will get us to the starting point. Now, you're going to fill in all the other spaces with random numbers from 1 to 4. And there you have it, your own maze. Now let's take the first one outside.
Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making a sidewalk maze with us. Please share your finished project with us on Instagram. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it using the hashtag #TheMondayMake and hashtag Mach1PPL. And make sure you don't miss our next video. Please subscribe to Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mach1 at Phoenix Public Library. We're a space for makers, artists, crafters, and hackers. What will you make next?